What's up, everybody? Welcome to Feast of Fiction Special Being Boozled edition. Ashley has returned.
Hi!
And we have a very special guest, Motoki, joining us today.
What's up, what's up?
You've probably seen this around before. Being Boozled is a challenge where you basically have a lot of similar colored beans and you flip a little. They added this now, so you get to choose whether or not you're gonna hopefully eat something good or just awful.
Well, let's share with them some of the flavors.
So the good ones are coconut, buttered popcorn, peach, juicy pear,
Okay.
cafe latte,
All
caramel
right.
corn, and some other good things.
What are some bad ones?
Skunk spray, moldy cheese, pencil shaving. That actually might taste good. Baby wipes. You're very familiar with that right now.
Sure, I could just go eat some out of my purse if I wanted to.
Okay, well, I'm gonna start things off. So
Right.
I got blue, so I could get coconut or baby wipes.
There we go.
Ooh, speaking of.
Motoki, where are you from? Where'd you grow up? How'd you get into YouTubing?
I originally started back in my hometown. I'm guessing it's baby wipes.
God, baby wipe.
What's it taste like?
What do you think? It tastes like a baby wipe.
What does a baby wipe taste like?
Yeah, was it a used baby wipe?
Do I have to finish? Oh.
Yeah.
Yikes.
Are you serious? Is it that bad? Get out of here.
It
Get
just tastes.
out of here.
You know how a baby wipe smells?
Like detergent-y.
That's what it tastes like.
So fresh.
Yeah.
Refreshing, yeah.
I never want to eat this again.
Yikes.
And this is one of the bad ones. All right, please continue.
Yeah, right.
You're a win.
I started making videos in high school. Started posting, started in middle school, and started making comedy skits, had fun with that, and here I am today.
Nice. And what is your ethnic breakdown?
Oh yeah, my ethnic breakdown is half Japanese, half Caucasian.
Yeah.
Ashley's a quarter Japanese.
All right.
You guys almost
Even
make up one
He's
full
more
Japanese.
Asian than us. But there's more Japanese people on set today. I like it.
That's what's up.
Well,
Let me go.
Okay, you want to do the spinner?
Yeah.
What is that one?
Oh wow, that's
This is the
Oh
orange
my God, peach or barf?
Peach or barf. So this is
wow.
it's like one of these guys right here.
One of those guys?
Yeah.
Ooh, peach.
Oh,
Way.
lucky.
What if
lucky.
it really was barf and I'm like, ooh, peach.
Just playing it
I
off.
would highly commend your acting skills. What was like the inspiration behind doing the carpool stuff with your mom?
Dude, the carpool stuff is so
Oh.
good.
Yeah, no, it was really fun. I straight up took kind of the idea from this hilarious YouTuber called Zach Piona, and he was like my favorite finder. And he kind of did a similar thing with his friend Molly, and I was like, okay, well, what if I did that with my mom, because my mom's so stoic and like just straight faced.
Oh man, she makes it.
And yeah, it was just like great, like contrasting characters.
Yeah.
I have a question about that.
Yeah.
How many takes did you have to do with your mom? Like, were you doing that for hours? Is your mom just like,
Yeah. How
I'm
long are
ready
you
for this to
rehearsing
be
it? Because it's so
over.
precise.
so good? So I didn't know how many takes mom had to do.
They take like maybe 45 minutes.
That's
A
it?
lot of people ask me like, you know, is there any outtakes like where my mom's laughing and stuff like that? But honestly, no, she doesn't laugh. She doesn't laugh. Like she doesn't
At
think
all?
I'm funny. Yeah.
Wow, that's
That is-
crazy. All right, Motoki, time to spin the title.
Yikes! Here we go.
That was a great
That's a good
spin.
one. Red. Strawberry
Strawberry
jam or
jam
or
centipede?
centipede.
I don't even know
Okay.
how you get the other half of that.
It's one of these, yeah.
Yeah.
All right. Oh. Strawberry jam.
Yeah.
That's my
sounds
jam.
Dang it.
All right. Here you go.
Buttered popcorn or rotten egg?
Ooh.
I don't actually want buttered popcorn either.
Dude, buttered
honestly.
popcorn was my favorite growing up. I loved it. And I don't even like popcorn in real life.
If I get two bad in a row, I'll be so upset. It's popcorn.
Nice.
For a second.
I was like,
That
oh.
first, that first whammy, I was like, whoa! But
Wait,
even
what
this
was
is
it?
too
What's
much.
the other one?
Rotten egg.
Oh.
But even this is too much.
No, that's fine.
I almost want to spit. I almost like the baby wipe more than this. What? This is a lot of buttered popcorn in my mouth
I
right now.
know. All right, what is it? How do I get that real good spin on it?
Just gotta flick and move. Oh, do it again. Give us a real flick. There it
Oh!
is. The licorice or skunk spray.
This was the one I said I didn't want. Oh!
And why's that?
Because I hate licorice, and skunk spray probably ain't even better.
Yikes.
Well, choose one of them.
Licorice.
Oh gosh. Lucky.
The face.
You're still not happy about it.
Mm-mm.
No one's getting really Bean Boozled here so far except for me.
Ah.
This is true.
We're doing pretty good, by the way. If it's a real 50-50 shot. Kids think this is fun? Purple. This is...
Peach or barf?
Peach or barf!
Oh.
Yikes.
Good
Alright.
luck, my friend.
There's a bar.
You can spit it out if it's that disgusting.
No.
Oh wait,
I-
is it? Yeah. It started getting. Oh!
No, really?
Yikes!
What is
It
this?
started getting like really sweet, and I was like, oh, okay. Oh no.
Wait a minute, I got a question. What did that person eat? That's
Get
barfing
spit
up?
it out, spit it
No,
out.
you guys wanna? Can you smell it?
What
Can
did
you
they
smell
eat?
it?
Yeah. It's
It
like
just
acidic.
smells like generic barf.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
It's like that stomach acid that you get. That tinge of. Why are you eating it? Oh, this
I'm not a wuss. Okay.
Wow, committed.
Yeah.
Juicy pear or booger?
Booger.
Please give me pear.
Booger.
Please give me pear. Booger.
Are you serious?
All of them?
Are you trying to be a good actor right now?
No.
You got 3 bad ones in a row?
No, this.
Oh, you got that.
I got popcorn last time, but it's fine.
Are you serious? Boogers aren't
It
that
tastes like-
bad. Everybody used to eat them as little kids.
Yeah.
This is where it tastes like fertilizer.
Dude, you're talking so much smack, I'm destined to get that one.
You are.
Black pepper or plum? Okay,
Wow.
plum.
What the hell? I can't. I can't do it. It's so
Yeah,
bad.
I'll do no.
That one was so
Are
bad.
you serious?
Yeah.
A booger?
No, it didn't taste like a booger. It tastes like fertilizer. I
Give
swear.
me a booger. Where's a booger? Right. I'm gonna take one for the team here.
It's a booger, but it doesn't taste like a booger, right?
It tastes like cilantro. Moldy cheese, yeah.
This
Caramel
one?
corn. Oh my god, that was the worst. That's the worst.
I can't even. I can't even start with that.
no.
Moldy cheese.
Moldy cheese is the worst.
I can't even start with that.
Are you serious?
I got one bite in.
Oh my god, I hate cheese and I don't want to do this one, but the booger wasn't that bad.
Do you want to try that?
I can't. I don't like cheese.
All right. I guess let's just.
I can try this top banana pencil shape.
Yeah,
Can you try
yeah.
one?
Yeah, let's just try ones. Like, I want to go for centipede.
Banana.
All right.
All right. Oh, strawberry.
That's good.
How's this one? Blech, centipede.
What does that taste like?
I'm sorry, centipede.
This one tastes like grass.
Come on, Wim. Finish one.
I finished so many. Which one was the vomit one?
I know, I want to taste the barf too.
It's so bad.
Okay,
It's peach.
It's this one. Okay, everyone take one.
All right,
Bottoms
cheers.
up.
Cheers.
Ah! I got it again.
We all got
No!
That was bad.
Oh my
It's
god.
like somebody ate pizza. At least I got the answer to my question. I want to know what they were barfing up.
And there you have it, the Bean Boozled Challenge. Motoki, thank you for joining us on this wonderful
Thank you for
collaboration.
having me.
Yeah, absolutely. We also have Motoki on another Feast of Fiction video. It may be out right now, or it may not be. Wherever it is, make sure you check back on the channel. Subscribe. We make some food from Doraemon, from Inspired. You watched Doraemon a lot as a kid?
Doraemon, you know, I'll let that
Wow.
slide, I
Oh
guess.
my God. Anyway, make sure to check out Motoki's channel. Let's have more Toki. And as always, leave a comment below. Tell us what you want to see us make next on the show, or if there's other stupid challenges out there that we should abuse ourselves to do. Just let me know. Until then, goodbye.
See ya.
Bye.